Uwei ubrew nakajala Assam ula khlat no haka Jingiakynad hapadang kinok shnong kiba nakajala Assam bat Meghalaya haka singpalay haka shnong Lapangap. Kadba kinong shnong na Lapangap kidang ot Ïap Kba haden kumba lai lane saw kanta lawan ka kanhun na Assam balaja da ka Jingile hapadang ki ar kanhun da ka Jingiasiat da ki jri bat kawang da ki mau. Wadhaba ki bosen shar jong baro atli ki jela kila penjari ya ka jing pakhang shnong ha ka permit ha ka te ka than. Deputy Chief Minister ba President Song haba ai jingkran shakilat pathai khupor ya ki jingja ula ang balambah ka jingya sngutu jungmod jong ki bor pulit jong ka Assam bat Meghalaya la ailat ya ki nongsong shnong ka te ka than makin lagi ot Ïap Kba ha ka te ka jaka.
Incident.
Then number two, the incident that has happened again in Lapangap is today in the afternoon. In fact, you know what happened was in the morning time, through the understanding of both the police force from Assam as well as from Meghalaya, they allowed the residents of Lapangap to go to the paddy field to collect those produces which is due. I should say it is overdue also. And they started the job, but unfortunately after maybe 3 or 4 hours, again a group of people from Karbi side, they came in to that place, and ultimately the fight happened, though the police were there. But unfortunately, one of them succumbed to the thing, succumbed to disease, and that and then the name of this fellow is Tamong or something. I don't get the detail, but it happens just because of the fight among themselves. So now, to make sure that things does not go out of control, the government has decided to clamp the night curfew today, and curfew has been already clamped. And I came to know that even government of Assam has already clamped the curfew in that particular area, even from their side. So hopefully tonight we'll be able to control the situation.
So time and again, these kind of incidents keep happening at the border. What is your message to the people living in those border areas?
Well, the message is, in fact, because now the regional committee, joint regional committee has been constituted. From block 1, from the government side, we already made Sri Sngau Bhalandhar, Deputy CM, to look after this regional committee. And from the other side, again, I think one senior minister was also deputed to be the chairman of that regional committee. So we had a meeting with the chairman of the regional committee from this side. I suggested him that you contact your counterpart, sit down, if need be, just go to the ground. Though the joint inspection is yet to take place, just go there and then make people understand. Because right now, this core issue happened just because of the boundary issue. It happens because this particular place is the area of the differences.
So